Hello there. It's a great idea to zoom out and see exactly what is happening on a universal level and on earthly planes. So, this is the universal flow, like light is flowing at a very high speed, and this is the earthly plane. So, what is the king of earthly planes is that, energy moves in spiral. The path is spiral. All right. So, you can Google, there is an emotional scale. It has a upward spiral and a downward spiral. So spiral is all about good emotions, and downward spiral has the heavy emotions like anger, fear, rage, guilt, shame, everything. As humans, what we did was, as humans, these vortexes are literally inside our body. Okay. Now what happens? We were like feeling the upward spiral, and we were like not feeling the downward spiral. What happens? Then we are not feeling the flow, and all of a sudden we are like, we are only getting like, few drops of life, and we are craving for the ocean. Ocean is already there. We need to feel the spirals. The way you feel the spirals is by connecting with your body. You connect with your body by gaining the trust of your body. So you start getting in touch with the sensation, like buzzing, like flashes, like what kind of sensation you are getting. That way you connect with it, and then you come back to these vortexes. Now what happens is, the vortexes, the illusion is that we are not feeling the vortexes. The real thing is that we are actually stuck in the vortexes. So we are repeating the loops in our life. Now what happens is, because of that, it feels like that in our nervous system, which is our electrical system, we are literally switching three switches on, and we are moving forward in life. Our goal is to feel all of this, and then all of a sudden, you gain trust of your body, and you're switching like eight switches in your electrical system, in your nervous system. And that way, you sort of upgrade, like Goku upgrades his vessel, his avatar. All right.